welcome to This Ohio Farmhouse. I'm Jenna. Today Ben and Owen, my husband and son, are quickly putting up some swarm boxes that we just got. They're gonna try to catch their own bees. And then I am headed over to my sister Joanna's place. We're gonna start working on putting some sunflowers in and some cut flowers. And it's gonna be a fun time. For those of you who don't know, Joanna is my sister. Ben and I live on our own separate homestead here with our 6 kids. And my sister Joanna picked up a little farm not too far away from us, just a couple miles up the road. And so they have their homestead there with their twin boys. Our lives are really intertwined and we do a lot of our projects together. So I'm gonna head over there and we're gonna get to work.
Hi there, welcome to This Ohio Farmhouse. This area right here was where we put melons, and they kind of took over, so we decided that we're not going to do that this year. But for the last several years, we've been wanting to put, or I have been wanting to put sunflowers in a little area. And so we're going to take this whole section, and they're going to be all different kinds of sunflowers that I ordered. And so first I have to get all of this area cleared out from last year.
So we did this bed last year, like a no-dig garden bed, and we pulled all the weeds out. We put cardboard on top of it, really thick layer of cardboard, and then I went out and I bought 4 truckloads of compost, and we covered this all up. So I don't know if the compost had a lot of weed seeds in it or what, but we just have an overabundance we battled with all last year when this was a melon patch. And so I'm gonna go through it again this year. We're weeding it. I'm gonna cultivate it, got the stirrup hoe, and I'm just gonna go and slice everything off at the root level. Joanna's gonna get the rake, get it all out of here.
All right.
You can back over it.
A couple of weeks ago, I started planting some sunflowers. We wanted to get a jump start. The weather here hasn't been great, so we're trying to be patient. I'm doing some sunflowers across the street finally. Several years ago, I tried to get to that, and it just has never happened. So this is the year. We will do that. And so I got some cut flowers. I got 4 different kinds of sunflowers. Curious to see what they're gonna really look like once they start growing. We're gonna do some succession planting, and so we have them all summer blooming, which will be super fun for the kids to collect. We'll put them in our house. We're gonna do a roadside stand as well over at Jenna's house. She's also gonna be planting some really pretty different cut flowers as well, and she's gonna be selling some produce at their stand. So we're gonna get all the cousins together. We're gonna have some fun at the roadside stand, and this will be our first year doing it, so we'll see how it goes.
Okay.
Shoot, did I get one?